nothing from the shower as I'm showering, so touch it.
Oh.
Today we are doing shower organization and cleaning the shower because long overdue. Let me show you what we're working with. With all these shower essentials we got shower scum. There's some parts here that if it'll focus, that I believe that is glue from repairs. Yeah, I got a lot to take care of here. So here, I'm just deciding to add to my normal setup. This has just been on my sink, just gathering dust, and it did hold other things. And so, why not hold bar soap? So that way, I mean, that's condensation, but for the most part, nothing from the shower as I'm showering. So touch it. And brand new bars of soap waiting for me. Then some items I don't have to continually, I don't have to run out for anything when I shower. Like at all. Would you believe I'm halfway at that Tropic Glow? Like, I just want you to see it. We finally gonna just really, you know, work smarter instead of harder. And I got to hurry and use this Botanical Infusion natural smelling body wash, and that's a lot to use. Yeah. This has been my shower organization. Clean my shower with me as well. If you'd like to see more videos like this where I organize my products and clean, I got a playlist waiting for you right about there. Love you.